Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to reveal the latest item that I've purchased from Louis Vuitton. But before I do that, let me show you this beautiful purse. And wow, I had her probably more than 15 years, and this is one of my first epi bag in my collection. So let's take a look at the detail of this beauty right here. So this is a Louis Vuitton Papillon Soufflot in this beautiful epi leather in a green Bordeaux color. Right there, wow. I still can't get over how pretty it is, despite of having it for so many years. I don't remember the last time I wore this piece, and I just really wanted to preserve its beauty, because I know this is more likely a vintage piece. So as far as I remember, I got this in one of the websites, and it was shipped all the way from Japan. And I was so delighted. I still could remember. I was so delighted when I received it, because the condition is beautiful. It's excellent condition. I think I got it in such a great price. So anyway, so this one is made up of the body right here. The bag is made up of the epi leather right here. I guess you guys probably know how does the leather looks with an epi. So this is the epi leather right here, and on this side it has a LV logo right here side. And my most favorite part of this purse is the cowhide smooth leather trim right there. While the trim actually stood out, that's what I love about it. I love the combination of a smooth leather and the epi leather. I think it's gorgeous. And this one also came in with a gold hardware as well, and it is still shiny. Wow. I mean, the beautiful lovely stitching right there are so pronounced. That's what makes everything so special. The handle, I don't see any issues with the handle. That's the thing, is that the handle, well, I've carried this, like I said, several times, but I haven't worn it in years. And so far, I don't have any issues with the strap, and the strap were still intact. All right, and then we have the zipper right here. So it only has one zipper pull that goes all the way down right here at the corner. All right. And wow, it's still in great condition. Let me just take a look at the zipper pull right here. So let me show you. It's still great. I have not cleaned this at all. I don't see any sort of chipping or any tarnished on this piece. I'm a little bit astonished with the condition. Usually like years after I got the piece, I started like cleaning it with a jewelry cleaner right here, and then just to at least remove the oxidation. But right now it's beautiful. It's still lovely. So anyway, and I also, let me show you the side of the purse, which is also lovely right here. Look at the side corner of this purse, guys. Look how smooth it is. I don't see any, wow, it is flawless. I don't see any marks at all. Well, I have my I have a full blast setting on my ring light, and I don't see any sort of scratches. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. I just can't believe. I mean, the combination of the epi and the smooth leather is fantastic, I must say. And then let's take a look at inside. right here. The interior is actually in this dark green color, and it has a pocket right here in this corner. I never used it, and wow, it's very, very soft microfiber inside. Wow, very nice. It is very clean. I kept all my purses clean inside as much as possible though. Wow, it is very nice. It is well preserved right here. And then there is a D-ring right here at the back. I'm not sure if you guys could see it right there, and that's where you could find the date code. And the date code for this one is made up in France in 1995. So the date code says it is MI0995, and it is crafted on the 9th week of 1995. That's amazing. Wow. Oh gosh, the lovely stitching are absolutely stunning. All right, I'm not sure if you guys all know that the Louis Vuitton Papillon Soufflot came in with the baby pouch, and that is what's missing on this beauty right here. So I could have purchased it a long time ago, and I said, well, I don't really need the mini pouch. But then a few months ago, I decided maybe I should, since I am not using it, I'm just gonna put it in display. So I might as well as get the baby pouch to complete the set. And I called my essay and I spoke to her that, hey, I needed this mini pouch, and she told me that it may take several weeks for them. And I was so happy because after all this time, when you come to think of it, this was crafted in 1995. And when I asked them the mini pouch, and they said, yes, we have it. And they are still producing it, but you just have to make a request. So I was so excited about that. So I made a payment. I think I spent around almost $400 for the mini pouch. And I waited for several weeks. They sent me a message that it's ready to be picked up. And wow, I was so excited with the mini pouch. But anyway, I thought all along that, is it really worth it? But well, I just wanted to complete. Now here comes the daughter of my mother Soufflot. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I was so excited for this piece, guys. Oh my gosh. I waited like in less than a month, so I was able to get this. And I think it's worth it, really. I really think it's worth it because I've been wanting to complete this set for a long time. This is how it looks, the baby Soufflot right here. Wow. And it has a gold hardware, and it has a strap right here. And then, so this is how it looks, and a lovely detailed around the corner right here. Wow, very nice, beautiful combination of leather right there. And then the interior, let's take a look at inside. Wow, it's a little stiff because it is still new. It is still stiff. Oh, let's take a look at inside, and it has a patch right here, and it's made in France right there. Wow, absolutely stunning. And then the interior is actually lined with microfiber, which is also in a dark green color. I'm curious if this one has a date code. Let me just take a look where they put the date code. I think, let me just take a look. Oh, I saw the date code right here on this corner right there. Let me just get a flashlight. The date code is actually located on this corner right here. So let me just use my flashlight right here, and yeah, That's where the date code is. And let me see. And this one is crafted in 2021. Okay, so she's crafted long time ago. And okay, wow, I didn't know. I'm not really sure if the mini Soufflot came in, it has a date code in it. I'm not really sure because I have not really seen I mean, this is my very first Soufflot and it did not came in with the mini ones. So I am just surprised that this has a date code, apparently. I'm not sure if this one has already a chip in it, and I'm not really sure about that. So anyway, this is the baby Soufflot, and let me just put this right here. So obviously the baby Soufflot is darker than the mother Soufflot right there, and then the cowhide leather, it seems to be, I don't see much of a difference though. I mean, this one is very, it looks brand new. The strap, the detail of it looks, I don't see any sort of issues with it or any marks though. I am astonished with how this one looks over the years. And this is how it looks. Finally, I was able to get it. And yeah, if you have any of these in your collection and you don't have the baby ones, you could just reach out with your essay, or you could go to Atelier, or maybe you could call the 1-800 number. They may be able to help you with that. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.